Okay, this is Dustin with TWPD, and we're doing part 4 of the Galaxy 7 display replacement. I'm supposed to be getting some more Galaxy 7s coming in to do the glass repair. So first things first is we're going to have to put brand new adhesive on there. I know you guys are going to ask, is it waterproof again? No, after you open this thing up, you really can't guarantee that it's going to be waterproof again. So just be aware of that. So first things first is we're going to have to put adhesive all around. I don't know if I said that already. I think I did. So we're going to clean up the old stuff. Which is pretty on there real well, actually. You grab a microfiber rag and some acetone, and that'll help clean up the sides real well. Just want to try to get a smooth surface for some new adhesive. This actually, this residue adhesive is really tough to remove. I'm assuming because of the waterproof adhesive. My light fell over here. So I still haven't received one Galaxy 7 yet, but supposedly someone is sending it. So the first person who does send it and get it here gets the free Galaxy 7 glass repair. Your LCD has to be fully intact. It's just a broken glass. After that, it becomes $100. You pay for shipping both ways. And I'm making all Galaxy repairs, Nexus 6, repairs, any difficult repairs that no one else can do, they'll be $100. If your repair shop contacts me to negotiate special pricing. And my light doesn't want to be nice. So yeah, pretty aggressive here on the cleaning. Just really strong adhesive. So we're going to need double-sided red tape. That's what I use. If you can find the factory adhesive, I'd recommend using that so that way you can waterproof it again. This phone's too new for it, so I wasn't able to find it yet. Well, at least I was able to find an OEM original display here. Actually, I need smaller adhesive. Okay, so now I got the 1mm adhesive here. And I thought I was ready for the camera. Jeez. This 1mm adhesive can be really problematic, especially if it gets on the sides here. Can't slide it along the sides with your fingers. Use some tweezers. It has to be perfectly accurate because that ultra thin display has to fit in these very thin bezels. This is definitely tedious work, guys. 100%. I'm gonna switch up to 3mm. Having all the sizes really is handy in doing this type of work. I have one all the way up to 15. Could just pause the video and make it rush through for you guys, but I like you to see that, you know, what you're getting yourself into. So I do like the longer videos. I'm gonna call YouTube and try to get my 15-minute videos lifted so I can have longer videos. I finally found YouTube's phone number, which was helpful, and maybe I can actually make some better quality videos instead of having so many different parts to them. Okay, I'm going to switch up to 2mm for up here. Try not to overlap your adhesive, just make your life more difficult. My employee sat next to me here, he's not technically an employee, he's interested in buying my location. I'm going to open up some more locations around the US, and he's learning how to repair phones, and he was very persistent on fixing his broken Nexus 6, and I told him not to. Well, unfortunately he broke his Nexus 6 in the most unusual spots too. You know, these little resistors here on cabling. Well, he broke one of the resistors, and I went ahead and replaced one of the resistors, but unfortunately the cable burned when replacing the resistor. So now he's without a phone, and now he has to go buy a new one because he doesn't want to pay the money for a new digitizer, which I don't blame him because they're 170 bucks. So lesson learned, guys. Don't work on stuff that you're not ready for. And this is a semi-difficult phone, but doing glass repair on this would be very difficult. Maybe LCD repair a little bit easier. But you still have to have a lot of patience, and if you put that LCD in wrong, you will break it. So you just want to be very patient with what you're doing. So I'm running out of time, so I'm going to pause it. So this Galaxy 7 part here is courtesy of E-Trade Supply, and I really thank them. They actually give me a little bit of commission on every part that I help them sell. So if you guys click on the links down below, and if you need to purchase the part, that would give me credit, and I appreciate that. So basically, if you get an S Plus quality, that means you're going to get OEM original, and it's going to be the best of the best, okay? So that's the ones I recommend doing. You're going to have the least amount of problems, and you don't really need to check the part because they've already been triple checked. But if you buy the cheaper parts, well, you get what you pay for, like, you know, one on eBay or whatnot. So I wouldn't recommend doing that. And so that's why today I'm not checking this part, because I already know that it's been triple checked and it's good quality. E-Trade Supply is great. So yeah, feel free to click on the links, guys, and get some parts. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, I see. There's another little plastic piece up here. Okay, so we're going to go through the hole here. And yeah, they provided me with a free display. That was very nice of them. I'm not exactly sure why they do that, but I found out by Zach that they did the same thing for him at Jerry Rig Everything. So I figured, well, maybe they'll do the same thing for me because I give them a lot of business. And in fact, I don't make any money off these videos, guys, through YouTube at least, through the ads. Where I make my money is through E-Trade Supply, which is about $100 a month, so it's not much. And then I actually make my real money through people sending in their phones. So if you can't do the repair or whatnot, then yeah, send in the phones and I'll be glad to take care of you. Okay. So it's just a matter of plugging in all the cables here now. Shouldn't be too difficult here. Little tiny battery compared to the other phone, the Galaxy 7 Edge, but beautifully designed inside, I think. This actual phone has never been used, if you guys remember from watching the first videos. I never recommend working on the phone while it's turning on or anything. Just because a lot of people are full of static. I am one of those people, rare people who don't have any static electricity. I mean, it's super rare for me to ever zap anybody. So I don't mind working on the phone while it's turning on. But like I said, I would not recommend doing that at all. I'm just doing this for the sake of the video to rush it. We got 1 minute and 30 seconds left here. I'm going to put this on the hot plate to warm it up. 100 degrees Celsius. These just clip in like little Legos here. In my opinion, I think the Galaxy 7 is slightly easier than the Galaxy 6. So my rating would be, I don't know, iFixit scale. If you were just doing an LCD repair, 6 out of 10. Use the proper tools, you'll be just fine. I have a few tools that I'm recommending, but they're not going to give me any affiliate, so oh well. I will show you guys on the next videos about these new tools that I've discovered and found. It'll make your life a lot easier. Please watch my other videos, like and subscribe, and share. It's really important to me. Oh, it looks like This piece has to go underneath. So watch that. This entire clip needs to go underneath. I'm going to actually unscrew that back, lift that back out, and then tuck it under. Come on. There we go. Oh crap, I'm already over my time. Okay, and then let's put this on. It's nice and hot. I'll have to edit some of that stuff out. That sucks. Out of time. Just a clean up and they'll be good to go. Great, seems to be working fully. Yeah, works great. All right, thanks guys.